This video is an overview of the user interface for the Unsteady State Wellbore Simulator, USWS, for black oil systems. When you click on the shortcut or the icon for USWS, you can create the shortcut by click and drag from the installation data file, the interface program USWS_VI-EXE. When you click on that, you get the menu items for the various modules of the interface. So we have a data file builder, which creates and modifies and saves single case data sets. These data sets can then be run using the run data files module, and results can be reviewed showing tables of numbers ordered by time, pipes, parameters, and we can obtain graphs of the spreadsheets as well as colored wellbore schematics of the various parameters such as pressure, saturations, rates. Here we have a Hellfire Documentation, and I'll just click on that to show you the Hellfire Documentation. It's PDF file, so you would have the Hellfire Documentation that you can print off. And then tutorial movies, and these are now being worked on, and we have tutorial movies for various aspects of the program. So in closer look at the data file builder. In data file builder, if I were to open up a previously created data file, you can see the data file builder allows you to create a new file, open a previously created file, save the data file, and check for errors. So if I open up a previously created data file, you can see that the data file builder has a number of tabs, general tab, and the tutorial movies will go through each of the tabs, one tutorial for each tab. The general tab where you specify the run parameters, the number of time steps to run, the tolerances, convergence parameters, restart records, and time step controls for the size of the time steps, next output time, and so on. Black oil PVT to give you the standard black oil, oil formation volume factor for oil, gas, water, solution gas ratios or condensate gas ratios, so we can have gas condensate properties, dissolved oil properties, if this is now solution gas oil ratio or condensate properties, dry gas water types. So we can put in black oil PVT properties that we are used to in reservoir simulation of black oil reservoirs. The trajectory tab allows us to import a TD versus MD survey file and break that up into segments of various lengths. The pipe data allows us to create pipe descriptions for segment ranges of different pipes, diameters, roughnesses, perforations, initial pressures, conditions, and we can display a pipe schematic. If we maintain aspect ratio, there's a pipe schematic showing, in this case, 2 pipes in this system here. Reservoir data. Now, reservoir data is outside the wellbore, so it is a fixed boundary condition. We do not change reservoir data. We don't recalculate reservoir data, but we can specify reservoir data conditions at different points in time to simulate depletion of the reservoir or change in saturation of the reservoir with time. Reservoir properties can be defined by PVT table, and relative permeability tables are allocated to different reservoirs. Different reservoirs can be connected to different segments. Production injection data provides you with the ability to specify injection points or offtake points at any pipe segment in the pipes of the wells. And we can specify offtake or injection pressures, and we can specify maximum offtake rates or maximum injection rates. Pump curves, if we declare pump curves, we can declare pump curves, the head curve, and then also for pipe data, we can also specify chokes. We can specify choke specification for inline chokes or flow control device for chokes along the liner or along tube-mounted ICDs, FCDs. So this shows you the various options of the preprocessor, and you can also, if this was a run that's been made, you can also show the results of the run by clicking on this option here. Otherwise, I can go to the next item, which is run data files. Run data files allows you to select a number of data cases they have created here to run, and you run usually 2 at a time, and then we run through all the cases until they're all done. And then you can modify the data files, select or look at the results of the files. And the results of the files, you can open up a file, previously run results file, and you can look at the pipes, select various output parameters at different points in time, get a table, arrange the output, get a table, go from next time, previous times, modify the selection, say go all times, get last use report selection, get all times, report them, report by time, next time, graph the table, display pipe schematic. So many things you can do using the interface. So these tutorials that are available here will be able to guide you in the use of this program. Thank you very much for your attention.